27. Ingatan po ang mga lotto tickets, huwag babasahin at huwag paplantsahin ang mga yan. Tandaan, kailangan ma-validate ang winning ticket sa pag-claim ng inyong premyo. Our second number is 26. Sa Super Lotto 649, panalo kayo ng 50 pesos pag nag-match ang tatlong numero ninyo sa ating mga winning numbers. To win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number is 21. Go for winning numbers ang inyong nakuha. 1.2 million pesos ang premyong paghahatian ng mga winners. At para pumanalo, pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 6. Sakali namang 5 winning numbers ang nasa ticket ninyo, 1.3 million pesos ang paghahatian na papremyo. Reminder to our players, play smart, play safe, and play responsibly. The fifth number is 20. Lotto fans, very easy lamang po maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng game mechanics sa ating mga friendly Lotto tellers. And our sixth and final number is 16. Lotto players, 42 draw balls numbered 1 to 42 ang nag-umpisa ng haluin sa loob ng ating draw machine. We will be waiting for 6 lucky numbers to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination. Good luck, Lotto players. And the first number is 7. Lotto winners, you only have 1 year to claim your prizes. Sa pagkuha po ng panalo, magdala po ng 2 valid IDs at syempre ang inyong winning ticket. Our second number is 36. Pagkabili ng Lotto ticket, mas maganda kung pipirmahan agad ng likod nito dahil mawala man po at manalo. Kayo lamang po ang maaaring makapag-claim ng premyo. The third number is 31. Paalala po, only 18 years old and above are allowed to play the Lotto games. Dito sa Lotto 642, 1 million pesos ang papremyong paghatian equally ng mga players na makakakuha ng 4 winning numbers. And our fourth number is 3. Samantala, 1.1 million pesos naman po ang premyong paghahatian ng mga makakakuha ng 5 winning numbers. Ang Lotto 642 ay nagpapapremyo tuwing Martes, Huwebes at Sabado. The fifth number is 35. One more lucky number to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination para mapanalunan ang 34 million peso jackpot. Sana po kayo na nga ang susunod na maging Lotto Milyonaryo. And our sixth and final number is 42.
Nasa 6D Lotto game na po tayo. Hindi pa rin napapanalunan ang first prize last draw na umabot na sa mahigit 2.6 million pesos. And to make it even more exciting, mas malaki pa dito ang panalo ninyo kapag nag-match ang 6 numbers ninyo sa winning combination in exact order. Marami pang paraan para manalo sa game na ito. So much better to keep your tickets and have it validated para hindi masayang ang consolation prizes. At narito na ang 6D Lotto winning combination. Our first number is 1. Second number is 9. Third number is 2. Fourth number is 7. Fifth number is 0. And our sixth and final number is 7. Again, tonight's 6D Lotto winning combination is 1, 9, 2, 7, 0, and 7 in exact order. Libo-libong papremyo naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan dito sa 3D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, 3 numbers nyo pwedeng manalo ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play kapag nag-match sa mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito System Play. Thrice daily ang pagpapapremyo nito. That's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. Our first number is 1. Second number is 0. Third number is 2. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning combination is 1, 0, and 2 in exact order. At syempre, para sa last game natin tonight, dalawang masiswerteng numero ang maghahatid ng panalo. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo mo kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers nyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos naman ang maiuuwi ninyo. Reminder lang sa mga Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. Our first number is 28. Second number is 27. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 28 and 27 in exact order. Congratulations to all the winners.